Hello, welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle channel. I'm Ryan from AI on Crypto, and it is my great pleasure to get to bring some news today to the best community on the blockchain. We cover a lot of projects on this channel, but at the end of the day, Bitcoin is still king. So goes Bitcoin, goes the markets. And lately, Bitcoin has been coming back to life. And today we are going to discuss the latest Bitcoin news involving tech legend Jack Dorsey and his take on Bitcoin's future. Roll the intro.
Woo-hoo! It's the crypto lifestyle, baby!
This is the Crypto Lifestyle channel. On this channel, we talk about decentralization, crypto mass adoption, and other Bitcoin-related things that can bank us coin. Our team here pumps out daily cryptocurrency-related content covering everything from DeFi to play-to-earn blockchain gaming. If you are looking for a place to bring you tomorrow's newspaper today, then please subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss any of our future content. My regular channel is called AI on Crypto. There, I really focus on the emerging play-to-earn industry being built up around blockchain gaming. So if you're interested in projects like Gala Games, Axie Infinity, and more, be sure to use my link in the description below to check out the content we do over there. And of course, all of the information we discuss here today is for entertainment and informational purposes only. Cryptocurrency is very risky and we are not professional financial advisors. Now back to the lead story, which is Jack Dorsey, his comments on Bitcoin, and why more and more of the world's largest corporations will soon be all in on the blockchain. Today, we're going to look at an article from TechCrunch to get an idea of what this Jack Dorsey conversation about Bitcoin was all about. But before we get into it, I just want to say, it is not just Jack Dorsey right now in terms of titans of industry commenting on or getting involved directly in cryptocurrency. Of course, we have Elon Musk, and lately, Amazon has come to the party as recently as the last few days, announcing that Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is going to be a part of their future as well. So we are starting to see a bull run of sorts when it comes to the large companies and their race to integrate crypto before it's too late and they get left behind. And I think the really forward-thinking leaders of business are really starting to see that the future of payments, the future of data storage and transmission, the future of supply chain, and indeed the future of data ownership is all going to be on the blockchain. And nobody seems to see this as well as Jack Dorsey. So let's get to this TechCrunch article and see just what is going on here with these comments that are lighting the industry abuzz right now. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey confirmed to investors that Bitcoin will be a big part of the company's future, as he sees opportunities to integrate the cryptocurrency into existing Twitter products and services, including commerce, subscriptions, and other new additions like the Twitter tip jar and super follows. Dorsey has been a staunch Bitcoin advocate for years, but how would it be put into action on Twitter's platform had not yet been spelled out in detail. However, Dorsey has often publicly touted the cryptocurrency, saying it reminds him of the early days of the internet, and that there wasn't anything more important in his lifetime for him to work on. Most recently, Dorsey launched a $23.6 million Bitcoin fund with Jay-Z and announced plans to lead his other company, Square, into the decentralized financial services market by way of Bitcoin. Square also this year acquired a majority stake in Jay-Z's Tidal music service with an eye toward how blockchain technologies and cryptocurrencies could change the music business. All right, guys, so clearly Jack Dorsey is taking major notice of blockchain, of Bitcoin, and he has been for years. But I think other businesses, tech journalists and stuff like that, they're really beginning to see this. Now, guys, I know all of us are not going to like the idea of Twitter being a major player in cryptocurrency. In fact, there's a lot of social tokens right around the corner that are coming to market very soon. Omni, Somi Social, and others are trying to become the first viable competition to platforms like Twitter using cryptocurrency technology. But regardless of those projects' best efforts, they are never going to have a monopoly on cryptocurrency. And as soon as people start moving towards this future where they get paid for their content, even social media posts and likes and downvotes and upvotes and stuff like that, well, the major platforms are going to take note of that, and they are going to do something to remain competitive. Back to the article here. Today, Dorsey also dubbed Bitcoin one of 3 key trends for Twitter's future, along with AI and decentralization. The latter which Twitter is pursuing through its Blue Sky initiative. Now, I think we could all agree that Twitter needs some decentralization, but no matter what kind of decentralized organization they put in place, I will never trust them completely when it comes to censorship. But that's my own opinion, has nothing to do with this article, so back to it. He touted Bitcoin to investors on Twitter's second quarter earnings call, saying it could help the company move faster in terms of its product expansions, while explaining that it was the best candidate to become the native currency of the internet. Incidentally, Square's $50 million in Bitcoin purchased in 2020 was worth $253 million by February 2021, and it purchased $170 million more earlier this year. So as we can see with these major investments, Jack is putting his money where his mouth is, putting his capital and Twitter's capital into Bitcoin. And we can reach every single person on the planet because of that, instead of going down a market by market by market approach, Dorsey explained. I think this is a big part of our future. I think there is a lot of innovation above just currency to be had, especially as we think about decentralizing social media more and providing more economic incentive. So I think it's hugely important to Twitter and to Twitter shareholders that we continue to look at the space and invest aggressively in it. A Twitter rep has confirmed this is the first time that Dorsey has spoken publicly about how Twitter could integrate Bitcoin into its product lineup. Okay guys, so this is major news. Jack Dorsey, Twitter, social media, and tech in general seem to be getting on the Bitcoin and more broadly the cryptocurrency bandwagon. And it's Elon Musk, and lately Amazon has even announced that they are going to integrate Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies into their payment processing systems. So it has been an up and down year for the cryptocurrency markets as we just went through a crazy bull cycle, and it has felt over the past 2 or 3 months like we're heading back to a crypto winter. But guys, with the latest breakout in gaming tokens, and with major corporations like Twitter, Amazon, and Tesla getting so heavily involved with crypto, it's hard for me to imagine that bullish euphoria isn't coming back very soon. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you didn't do it already, please subscribe to the channel, tap that bell, and until next time, you guys are on your own, man.